would help transform the way you speak, would help transform the way that you think, would help transform the meditation of your heart and mouth, so that it would be pleasing unto Him. Pray that the Holy Spirit would help you speak life, not death. Use your words to encourage, not to gossip. Use your words to restore, not to bring destruction. Use your words to pray, not to complain. Use your words to uplift, not to cast down. Use your words to bring dead things to life.